24 University is our educational platform for property managers, maintenance and engineering personnel, as well as insurance professionals. 24 University provides our clients with the education to create a proactive plan, whether that be disaster planning or safety, or providing responsibilities to their teams on site when these disasters happen. And that's what we like about it. We speak to our clients often, and they felt that there was a void in education. And we're doing it both Zoom and live, and it's here to stay. Currently we have 10 to 15 different classes that we're teaching in large groups live, large groups Zoom, and for individual clients as well.
The disaster restoration industry is an ever-changing landscape, so keeping our partners at the leading edge of training education is something we take very seriously. 24 University is a value-added experience that we provide all of our partners. Our objective is to be proactive to help our partners stay prepared and ready before and after a loss situation occurs.
Continuing education is important in all walks of life, certainly in the industry that we're in. If you're not going to get educated and continue to grow, you're going to get stale. And one of the best parts of our classes is the interaction with the entire group. We can all learn from somebody else. We are really, really excited about 24 University. This has been a great launch. These classes are impactful. It's a great growth moment for our company. We're going to have a lot more classes. We're going to have excellent guest speakers that some of them will surprise you. So please reach out to us. Give us a call, check us out online, and I think you'll like what you see.